Hello, everyone. My name is Tavondia Williams Burdett, and this is my fifth MSN Nurse Educator course. I started in the May cohort, and although it's very busy and time consuming, I'm really enjoying the program. I actually have no online um, class experience, even though I am a nursing instructor at the local community college here, and I'm actually starting my 10th year. Our program is very traditional, so we don't have any true online classes. I live in Greenville, North Carolina, and like I said, I work at the local community college here as a nursing instructor. I do have a master's degree in health education and promotion from East Carolina University that I obtained 10 years ago. And I decided to go back and get my MSN because I truly believe in lifelong education. And I thought that an MSN would help me to better serve my students and become a better educator, and also help me to continue to pursue my goals in getting my doctoral degree. Other than public health, my experience also includes cardiothoracic surgery, pulmonary medicine, and critical care. I obviously love school because I also have two bachelor's degrees. My first bachelor's degree is from North Carolina State University, go Wolfpack, in zoology. And then, of course, like many students, I changed my mind about what I wanted to do. And so I got my BSN from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. State obviously is my true love, but I will pull for Carolina if I absolutely have to. Let's see, what else? Um, Other than going to work every day and working hard full time, I absolutely love my nurse educator job. It is the hardest job I've ever had, but my absolute all time favorite. So, besides working full time, and of course, in this program, it does not leave you with a lot of spare time. But in my spare time, I do enjoy watching sports. In fact, I just had my NFL Fantasy League draft last night, so I'm really hoping that my team will do well. I also enjoy watching movies, especially Marvel movies. And I love to crochet. Crochet is a great stress reliever, and I absolutely need that in my life. I enjoy, I look forward to having discussion boards with you all and also participating in this class with you. And good luck to you. Thank you.